As Gaurav Chana said, view once in a lifetime.
उससे पहले कहीं खाना मिल जाएगा अभी के बाद उसके बाद खाना है देखेंगे ना अच्छा We've reached Shalimar Garden now. So ticket is 24 rupees per person. Actually it's a weekend lockdown today and everything is closed. Okay. Alan, can you move ahead?
So this garden is around 8 acres.
Okay.
Let's go.
You can see these mountains have snow on the top.
Apple.
Oh, gloves it. It's a beautiful place. This looks like we are in Canada, right? We have
sure.
we have trees here and snow-capped mountains on the top. This view also looks like Canada.
Between Chawla and Karthik, and the race starts now.
Stop.
Andan.
ಕಫ್ತಾನ್ ಪಾಡ್ಬೇಕತ್ತ
ಏರುಂದು
ಕಫ್ತಾನ್ ಪಾಡ್ಬೇಕತ್ತ ಐದು ಉಳ್ಳ ಇಂಚ ದೀಪಿಲಿ ಐದು ತಿರ್ಪಿದು ಉಂಡದ ಅವ ಮಜ್ಜಿ ಉಂಡ ಅವ ಇಂಚ ದೀಪಿ ಅವ ಬೆಚ್ಚ
This is the last point of the garden. It is getting pretty much cold. We have the trees look like amazing. This is the entrance of Nishant Garden. Again, it is surrounded by Dal Lake on the front. There is weekend curfew in Srinagar. All the shops are closed near Dal Lake. Sorry, this is Nishant Bagh. So you get a very good view of Dal Lake from the top as well. I don't know if it is visible in the camera, but those peaks there are completely covered with snow. Very cloudy as well today. Sajjan is having kahwa.
ಈ ಡ್ರೋನ್ ಬಿಡೋಡಿತ್ತು ಲೋ ಫ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದು ಕ್ರೇಜಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು.
Oh. छः.
भाई वॉशरूम कहाँ है?
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ ಬಸ್ ಚಾಲು
ನಾವು ಕಾಸು ಕೊಡ್ದು ವಾಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ.
ಹತ್ತು. So Alan, where are we? Can you give me a brief description about this park?
We are in Nishant Bal.
Okay. So what is the speciality?
Speciality is a long time ago, Nishant and his lover came here. They found love in this place. So from that time, right? This is a very monumental place.
Oh.
So people come to find love, and some people come here to find content.
So have you found love?
No, I didn't find content also, but we still have time. We paid for the whole day.
अभी मिलेगा?
अच्छा भैया आपका बनाया सब फोटो कोई ड्रेस में
नहीं sir.
अभी मिलेगा 5 मिनट में.
Good again. What is speciality of Nishant Bagh? Like bloopers.
So Suhan knows what is the speciality of Nishan.
So long time ago, Queen Victoria had come here. Okay.
And this is built on a terrace of the fort.
Terrace of a
Fort.
okay.
What?
Terrace of a fort.
Mughal king.
My version was much better. Nishant came here, found love, and then it became very famous. Nishant Bagh.
See there you can see lot of snow on the top.
So if you see the mountain, it is in the shape of N. That's why it's called Nishant Bagh.
निशान का दिल गार्डन.
In 3, 2,
Full summer season.
1.
Can manchile can mare mone attu call me.
So those peaks also are filled with snow. This looks beautiful. All the peaks are covered with snow.
इतना क्लियर तो इंद्रा.
Order paraki nodo road bandu.
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ತುಳು ಹೆಡ್ಡೆ ಉಂಡೆ ತುಳ
ये कर देंगे तो ना ये कोड़े बुड़ पड़ रहा है.
As Gaurav Chara said, view once in a lifetime. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉಂಟು
ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಉಪ್ಪು ವಾಸ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋದಾರ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
अच्छा